Welcome back everybody to another video. Today's video is going to be yet another Boxy Charm unboxing. This is the first box of 2021. Again, opening it up, this is what it looks like. I'm going to pull the card out, set that there, and I'm just going to go right in. First thing I got is the Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer. What that looks like. It's sealed and everything. It looks like it might be a little dark for me, but you know, it's just a tinted moisturizer. Next up is the apple and I don't know, lip gloss mask thing. This is what this looks like, and again it is sealed. Next up I got a Dragon Duo eyeliner duo. So it's our big box for such little products, and this is by Queen Studio, I think. That's how you pronounce that. We got a gel liner, like liquid liner, and then a pencil liner, which I'll probably use the pencil liner more than the actual liquid liner. Next up is by Pharmacy. This is Deep Sweep. It is a pore cleaning toner. And this is what that looks like. It smells good. Does it say what scent? Papaya. And then the last thing in here is the Velvet Voss Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette. This is the packaging, the outside, and the inside. Ooh, that's really pretty. That is very pretty. Mirror is nice. Ooh, the colors. And that was all 5 products that I have gotten this month. So I'm going to go in and read the card. Let's open up my calculator and calculate how much everything was. So the Violet Voss palette was $34. The Pharmacy Deep Sweep cleansing toner was $28. The Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer was $35. The Sapphire, I don't know I don't know, was $25. The Glow Lip Mask. And then the eyeliner, Dragon Eyeliner Duo was $28. That seems like a lot for eyeliner, but you know, okay, so 28 plus 25 plus 35 plus 28 plus 34, that's $150, and they market this box to be over, I think, 100 or 120. Again, I love getting my Boxy Charms. Probably the best thing in the world. Way better than Ipsy and everything. But yeah, that was everything for this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, all that jazz, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!